Welcome to another edition of the Bombay Beach Report with Kevin LiT, KRAP, July 29th, 2025. Water is super smooth, like glass, like a mirror. I love it when it's like this. I hope we have more days and evenings like this. Let's go take a closer look at the water. That's my boat in the background. Didn't quite get around to taking it out this evening, but probably going to do so tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. I mean, it's just like the perfect night for it. Look at how glassy the water is. It's almost magical, mystical. Yeah, I should have been out. I should be out there on my boat, but do it another night. It's so calm. So dreamy. Another nice sunset. Even when there's not clouds, still get some nice colors. Here at Bombay Beach on the Salton Sea. Great Scott! I came here in a time machine that you invented. This awesome piece of art, which was featured in the photo I posted last night with the nighttime one with the Milky Way and all that. This is called Tengam, Tengam, created by artist Sean Guerrero. It's supposed to be like a time portal, time machine. I mean, this thing is fucking amazing. The level of detail, intricacy, same thing, I guess. Kind of like a steampunk type thing. So amazing. You know, with the nice sky as a backdrop, everything else, just the detail. It's kind of made from driftwood and rope and wood and old street signs and whatnot. Let's take a walk around it and check it out. So here you go, kind of a wide angle overview. This location used to be part of one of three harbors here at the Salton Sea. Obviously long dried up. But enough about that. Let's go check out the art. On Instagram, Sean Guerrero. The artist goes by Sean Guerrero Art. Okay, climb up the steps here. It says do not climb, but you're welcome to climb the stairs. They just don't want people climbing like on the more fragile parts of the art itself. You want to go up the stairs though and stuff, go right ahead. And of course, somebody kind of modified the sign so it says do not come. Anyways, here we go. Nice view of the Salton Sea in the background. Just zoom in a little bit. But yeah, check this out. There's this chair you sit on. Let's zoom back out here. It's a time travel. Pieces of old traffic lights, street signs. It's just fucking amazing, like all of Sean Guerrero's art. So remember to pull out. We have pulled out all the stops, literally. Check that out. And in the background, Reincarnation. Another one of there we can get the focus there. Sean Guerrero Arts. Avast pirate ship. Yeah, look at that. Goes all the way up there. I mean, we just sit here, chill, get a nice view. Such an amazing piece of art by Sean Guerrero. And let's go over here. There's some more steampunk art. Another piece by Sean Guerrero. I'm not sure what this one's called. Again, made with old street signs and other traffic control devices, mostly. Look at that. So cool. This whole place, Bombay Beach, is always just filled, beaming with creativity. I love it. Why I moved here. The art, the people, the Salton Sea. And another one down here. Another amazing art piece, not too far from Tingam. And the other one I just showed you is this by Sean Guerrero as well. So amazing. Let's take a closer look. The name of this one is Eohippus. I actually had to look up the pronunciation. Got a little plaque here saying what it is, plus a QR code, take you to the Instagram. And there you go. Sean Guerrero's thing is Sean Guerrero art. Altogether, no underscores or anything else. So yeah, let's take a look at Eohippus. I mean, this is just so awesome. Like all of Sean Guerrero's art. Eohippus. Here, Bombay Beach on the Salton Sea. With Tingam in the background. Check out that nice smooth water. I love it when it's like this. We just had so many times where it's been windy until recently. There's going to be some meteor showers tonight. The Capricornids and the Delta Aquariids. So once it gets totally dark, start looking for some shooting stars. And usually some of the best ones happen later at night. There is, you can't see it in the frame, but there is a crescent moon out right now, but that's not big enough to really wash out the brighter meteors, which is really what are more worth seeing and photographing anyways. If you're a photographer, probably too late to tell you this, but you need a device called an intervalometer, and basically it shoots the frames back to back, like every X number of seconds. Most of the time with the meteors, they move too fast. You can't just sit there with your finger on the button. If you can capture it that way, you're pretty lucky. Maybe one of the slower moving fireballs. So what I do is I set my camera up, plug in the intervalometer, and just for hours at a time, it'll just go click, do anywhere from like a 10 to 30 second exposure, and then click again. It does all that automatically. I'm usually out there chilling next to my camera too, watching. If I see a bright firewall, I make note of the time. That one would have to go through hundreds, sometimes thousands of frames. It makes it easier to pinpoint the ones with the meter. I mean, yeah, you can kind of scroll through them too, but yeah. Before I do that though, I'm going to go to the ski and get lit. I mean, I'm lit right now, but I need to get more fucking lit. But I still want to enjoy this nice night out here. It's been unusually mild for July. We're almost at the end of July. We're almost into August. Like, these are usually the hottest months. It's only been getting a little over 100 degrees out here. Like I said, I'm not complaining. I mean, last year, the year before, most years at this time, it would easily be in the it would easily be above 110, 115 nearly every day, sometimes pushing 120. And then even when the sun would go down, I like to tell people, yeah, it'll be 118 during the day. Not this year, but most years, typical years. 118 during the day, you know, the sun goes down, it cools down to 117. At midnight, it'll probably cool down to like 107. But fortunately, we've been having nights where it quickly gets down to the 90s. And then around midnight, it's already, you know, down to the upper 80s. I mean, it's been super fucking nice lately. Anyways, remember those meteor showers? Kevin LiT with KRAP, Bombay Beach Report. Remember to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I mean, don't break your phone or computer, but, you know, make sure you subscribe. And the only reason I got to keep saying that is I wouldn't be a true TikToker or YouTuber if I didn't say, yeah, smash those like and subscribe buttons. Kevin LiT, KRAP.